In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Keybank account. Whether you're looking to open a new checking account for personal use or manage your finances more effectively, Keybank provides a range of services to meet your needs. Now let's get started on creating your account. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Keybank. Once you've reached the main page, look for the option that says Open an Account. This is usually highlighted for easy access on their homepage. Simply click it to proceed. Once you've clicked Open an Account, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you can select the type of account you want to open. For this demonstration, we're choosing a checking account, but feel free to select whichever account type best suits your needs. After you select your account type, look for a button labeled Open Now. Clicking on this will take you to the next part of the application process. You should see a prompt that says Let's Go. This is an invitation to start your application process. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page. It's here that you'll want to select the option for New if you are just beginning your experience with Keybank. Click Continue to move along the process. Now it's time to fill out the necessary details. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. You'll need to enter your first name, middle initial, and last name, as well as any suffix that might apply. You'll also input your date of birth and either your social security number or tax identification number. Next, type in your email address. Make sure to use an email that you check frequently, as Keybank will likely send important information to this address. Following this, provide your mobile number. It's crucial to ensure your contact details are up to date for seamless communication. As you progress, you'll need to select an address option. Choose Home if this is where you would like your statements and correspondence sent. Keybank will then ask about your citizenship status. If you're a U.S. citizen, click on the corresponding option. For those who are not citizens, you'll select non-resident. Choose the option that fits your status. Once you have filled in all the required information, click Next to proceed. This step confirms that all details entered are correct and that you are ready to move forward with your application. And there you have it. You've reached the end of your Keybank account setup. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the process and start managing your finances with Keybank. Feel free to revisit the video or check Keybank's resources if you need further guidance. Happy banking!